In this video, let's learn how to activate your Metro credit card online. If you also got your credit card of Metro Bank, then in this video, let me show you how you can activate it. Now, before I show you, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and also hit that notification bell so you get notified for more videos just like this. In order to activate your Metro Bank credit card, first of all, open up your web browser and search for Activate Metro Bank Credit Card. Once you search for this, you can just scroll down and you can see this search result, which is from the website of Metro Bank card. From here, you just need to click on the Activate Card link, and it's going to take you to the website of Metro Bank and the section of activating your card. If you scroll down, from here you need to just type in your credit card number on the first box. Type in and choose the expiration date of your credit card, and then lastly type in the captcha. If this captcha is not understandable, you can click on this link and a new captcha will appear. So you just need to fill in all these details and click on proceed, and your card of Metro Bank will be immediately activated. So that was a quick process of activating your Metro Bank credit card online. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorial videos just like this. I'm gonna be soon back with more informative videos, so until then, keep watching.